Hello kids and hello viewers. Welcome to Vistaslearning. My name is Athulya. I am your EVS tutor for grade 3. In today's session, we are going to learn our first lesson from EVS. The name of our lesson is A Day in the Garden. One day, I went out for an evening walk. I saw my friends sitting in the garden. They were busy talking. I went to them and asked, "What are you talking about?" So they replied, they were talking about animals. I wondered, what is there to talk about animals? By the time the gardener Rangappa joined us. He showed keen interest in our conversation. When we asked him about animals, he was so enthusiastic to talk about animals. He told us, "First I'll tell you what are birds and what are their features." So we listened to him carefully. He told birds are one kind of animals that have wings and they will fly in the sky. Birds live in their nest. They build their nest using straws, dry leaves, sticks and many more things. Birds have two wings and with the help of wings they are flying. Like birds, all animals have their home to live. They use their home to live, to give birth to their offsprings and to feed their kids. He told us that like birds live in the nest, bear lives in a cave. Lion, which is the king of a jungle, lives in a den. And dog, which is also a pet animal, lives in a kennel. And the last, the cow. Cow lives in a shed. Then he introduced us to weaver bird. He told that weaver bird is a very special bird. It is known for his nest. Weaver bird always built a nest which is in a narrow tube shaped. The nest of weaver bird cannot be made by us using our hands. Weaver bird is very special bird because of its nest making characteristic. Then Rangappa told us that we all must always take care of animals. We need to help animals. We need to take care of animals. At that time, we were a little confused. We thought how we will help animals, how we will take care of animals. So Rangappa told us, we can take care of birds by giving them food and water. We can serve them good food and good water. Like that, we can save them or we can help them. At the same time, Rangappa also told that if possible, we can make small nests and we can hang them on the trees so that any bird which is in need of a nest can rest in our nest. So children, if you can, then you must definitely make a beautiful net and you can hang it on the tree or you can keep it near your window. Then, it is the case of birds. In case of other animals like dogs or cats, we can feed them by giving good food and water. We can even take care of them by giving them a space to live in our house. Then Rangappa told us that animals are of different kinds. They can be of different color, different shape, different size, and they can be different based on their habitat and food they eat. So we were very curious to know about the different kind of animals. So Rangappa told us that first I will tell you how animals are classified based on their habitat. So Rangappa told us that some animals can live in both water and land. Such animals are known as amphibians. Example for amphibians are frog, crocodile, tortoise, snake, etc. Another type of animals are domestic animals. Domestic animals are those animals which are useful to us. We can keep them in our house. Example for domestic animals are cow, horse, dog, pig, sheep, etc. They can be kept in our house as well as they can be taken care of at farms. They are really useful to us. The next category is insects. Insects are very small creatures which can fly. They can be found inside our house. Example for insects are honeybee, butterfly, ladybug, etc. The next category is aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are those animals which are found in water. They live in water. Example, fishes, octopus, etc. Then, Rangappa told that animals can also be classified on the basis of the food they eat. For example, herbivores, omnivores, carnivores are the three main category of animals which are classified on the basis of the food they eat. So first let's see what are herbivores. So herbivores are animals that eat only plants. They will only eat plants and plant products. For example, zebra, deer, giraffe, etc. The next one is carnivores. Carnivores are animals that eat flesh of other animals. For example, lion, tiger, fox, etc. The last category is omnivores. Omnivores are animals which eat both plants and flesh of other animals. We humans will also belong to the category of omnivores. Example for omnivores are hen, crow, dog, pig, etc. After hearing all this from Rangappa, we were all so happy. We were so happy to know that how vast is our animal kingdom. After hearing the whole story, we all went back to our home. I hope our story has inspired you people. What you have to do is take care of animals. The animals that are living around us, feed them with some good food and water and try to take care of them. In the next session, I will come up with another lesson of EVS. Till then, stay connected with Vistas Learning. Thank you.